Hey guys, welcome back to another Tiny Chef recipe video. Today we're going to be making zesty corn salsa with no fried tortilla chips.
Hey guys.
These are all the ingredients we're going to need. Exact measurements and directions will be included in the recipe link below. First, we're going to cook our corn and garlic in a hot skillet until the corn browns a little bit and just get a little roasted. Once the corn is cooked and cooled, we're going to add all our ingredients to a larger bowl, starting with the corn, then adding onion, cilantro, and tomato. And Jayla is going to give it a little mix, and then we'll add some lemon juice and a little bit of salt and mix it all together and refrigerate it until you're ready to serve. Now for our tortilla chips, we're going to brush each side of the cut tortillas with oil and salt, and then we are going to place it in our air fryer cage. If you do not have an air fryer, you can bake these in the oven as well. We are air frying ours for 15 minutes at 350 degrees. You can use the same time and temperature for an oven. Now it's time for a taste. Thank you guys for watching. Please share your creations with us. Don't forget to hashtag TinyChefYums so that we can see all your wonderful creations. See you again next time.